Hey, wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world? That is the end of the most annoying sound in the world. Bye. No, actually, I want to keep talking to you lame people. You. Oh.